Hey again, this is John from Power Equipment Direct, and I'm here with my dad, Ron, and this is part 2 of a video series that we're doing on a standby generator installation for his house. So, since we've last spoke in our last video, there's a couple things have transpired. First, we've got 5 different installers in the local area from electricgeneratorsdirect.com, and we got all 5 of them out here to give us a quote and to give us an inspection of the property to let us know what was involved in this installation. After reviewing and comparing and contrasting the quotes, we decided to go with Building Services Chicago, not because they were the lowest price, but because we felt they had the tools and the talent to get the job done well. So, in the meantime, they actually secured the permit from the village, which is great. In addition to that, the product is coming today, and also the crew is here to do the install today. So if you follow the rest of this video here, we're going to show you what it's like to take a standby generator from curbside all the way to installation, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.
A standby generator installation will run you anywhere between a 6-pack and a couple $1,000s depending on who you know. Yes, you can legally install it yourself. However, if you don't have any electrical or plumbing knowledge like us, your best bet is to hire a professional installer. Our installation was rather simple. The total installation cost ran just short of $2,000 and included the permitting and any miscellaneous piping or electrical wiring. Remember that we bought the generator, automatic transfer switch, gen pad, and several other accessories separately from Electric Generators Direct. Normally, your generator and installer won't arrive on the same day. The freight carrier will call you to coordinate a delivery time that's best for your schedule. Before your generator arrives, work with your installer to determine the best location. Most local codes require it to be a certain distance from the house, with the exhaust pointing away from any open windows. If you want to save some money, you can prep the surface yourself. You basically need to flatten the ground and level at least 4 bags of pea gravel. We also recommend ordering a gen pad. While it's not required, it raises your generator another level, protecting it from flash floods. We were lazy and let the installer prepare the surface and get the permits for us. The generator will arrive on a semi. The truck driver will use a pallet jack and a liftgate to lower it off the truck. When your installers arrive, they simply use straps to pivot the generator on top of the pad. Now the fun begins. Typically, a licensed electrician will connect the electrical work first by connecting the automatic transfer switch to your main electrical panel. And just a heads up, it will require them putting a hole in your foundation to pass the wires. In addition, they're going to bury an 8-foot ground wire into the surface, which isn't easy to do by yourself. Next, a plumber is going to connect your generator to either your natural gas or your propane source. While the installer is there, you also want them to install any additional accessories. Since my dad's house is in Chicago, we needed a cold weather kit to ensure the battery doesn't freeze. In addition, we added the mobile link, which will automatically alert my dad and the installer if there are any problems with the generator, giving them ample time to correct any problem between power outages. Finally, the installer tests and activates the generator. A typical installation takes about 1 to 2 days, depending on the complexity of your job. Now, Dad's pad is protected from the next power outage.